to see that things are picking up in Sydney and also in New Zealand.
Yes.
And also the same story in Indonesian capital of Jakarta, where the rate of public mobility there has seen an increase as the restrictions on social activities are gradually lifted and public activities resume.
Shopping centers are starting to see more visitors, while traditional markets will soon implement a vaccine verification application called Pedulilindungi to prevent the spread of COVID-19 at wet markets. Certainly wonderful news.
The various relaxations on the multi-tiered public activity and mobility restrictions in Indonesia has resulted in the increase of public activities. Shopping centers, such as malls and traditional markets, has experienced an increase of visitors during the Level 3 public activity restriction period. The chairman of the Indonesian Shopping Center Association, Alfonsus Wijaya, said that the number of visitors in shopping centers has continued to increase, although at a slow rate. All across Indonesia, the number of visitors to shopping centers has increased by 35% compared to pre-pandemic levels. There has also been an increase in public consumption. Meanwhile, shopping centers in Jakarta have even experienced a 40% increase in visitors. Meanwhile, the use of the health status and vaccine verification app Pedulilindungi is also required at all shopping centers to ensure that everyone who enters is healthy and not infected with COVID-19.
Di pusat perbelanjaan itu kan sekarang relatif semua sudah divaksinasi, jadi relatif sudah aman dan sehat karena kan memang ada protokol wajib vaksinasi di pusat perbelanjaan yang mana pemeriksaannya mengharuskan menggunakan aplikasi Peduli Lindungi. Jadi relatif semua orang yang berada di dalam pusat perbelanjaan itu sudah sehat.
Meanwhile, the government are also conducting a trial run on implementing the use of the vaccine verification app Pedulilindungi in traditional markets across Indonesia. This is part of an effort to minimize and prevent the spread of COVID-19 in traditional markets, which has a high risk of crowded visitors. The government is also making large efforts to increase the vaccination rate among all sellers at traditional markets to ensure the safety of both consumers and vendors and to maximize the use of the Pedulilindungi application. Through these efforts, it is hoped that traditional markets can ensure the implementing of strict health protocols while welcoming consumers that can help increase the sales and transactions, which in turn can help boost Indonesia's economic recovery.